हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। तो अगर आपके पास इस फील्ड में ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस है, यू आर लुकिंग टू स्विच अ जॉब और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर इन दिस डोमेन, लुकिंग फॉर एनी इंटर्नशिप जॉब रोल, देन दिस वीडियो इज वर्थ वॉचिंग। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी, सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग, और रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एंड एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया दीज कंपनीज आर लुकिंग फॉर। But इससे पहले for my new audience, let me introduce myself. My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber, and a job search consultant as well. And time to time आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। And I'm almost 8+ years of experience recruiting candidates for different skills like Power BI, SQL, Python, data science, business analytics और data analytics domain. तो अगर आप भी चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे इन डोमेन से रिलेटेड जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें, आप कोई भी जॉब नोटिफिकेशन मिस ना करें, देन सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल राइट अवे, फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड माय फेसबुक पेज एज वेल। और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है, जहां पे मैं आपको इन डोमेन से रिलेटेड डेली जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ अलॉन्ग विद जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। और ये जॉब पब्लिश होती है अंडर 24 आवर्स। तो आप चाहते हैं आप कोई भी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस ना करें, आप जो भी मार्केट में अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं उनको अवेल करें, देन फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड माय फेसबुक पेज एज वेल। अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे। और अगर आप मुझसे कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, कोई फीडबैक है, कोई सजेशन है, आप कमेंट में मेंशन कर सकते हैं। रीच मी आउट थ्रू माय मेल आईडी callcentertalks26@gmail.com। और अगर आप मुझसे डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स के थ्रू, तो सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स के लिंक भी अवेलेबल हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। नाउ बिफोर हेडिंग टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है, जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं और आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे इन फ्यूचर एज वेल आपको सिमिलर जॉब नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहें, then do press the like button, share this video to your needy friends, and also you can share your feedback or any suggestions in the comment section. Now let's jump to the laptop screen and see what are the jobs available for this week.
फ्रेंड्स आ गए अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, वेदर द जॉब्स आर फॉर फ्रेशर, एक्सपीरियंस्ड और फॉर इंटर्न जॉब रोल. First company in the list is CLIXLOGIX, hiring for junior business analyst, experience 0 to 1 year, job locations in remote, salary 3 to 5 lakhs per annum, education bachelor's degree. Roles and responsibilities: gather and document business requirements and create business requirements documents for custom software development projects. Collaborate with team members, including project manager, development lead, and business stakeholders in understanding business requirements and implications. Analyze and document business process, workflows, and use cases throughout the software development lifecycle. Develop user stories and update Jira. Provide initial post-implementation support of newly rolled out applications, troubleshoot issues, and guide end users, and support the creation of test plans and perform UAT, that is user acceptance testing. So if you're looking for any remote job opportunity, you do not have any prior working experience, you can apply for this job post. Requirement: knowledge of SQL and Excel at a moderate or advanced level. Preferred qualifications: must have done relevant internship or training in program, at least 0 to 6 months experience working in an agile Scrum environment using Jira, understanding of the agile based software development lifecycle model, and secure testing methodologies. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. So you need not to have any prior experience for this job role, but if you have, then that would be an added advantage. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job. Let's move to the second job. Company name is Injala, hiring for business analyst, experience 0 to 5 years, because they are hiring for different experience level candidates. Location remote, salary would be 4 to 11 lakhs per annum estimated. Education BE, BTech or degree in quantitative field or MBA will be an added advantage. Roles and responsibilities: capture, analyze, specifies, and validates the business needs of the customers directly with customers or with AMs and other subject matter experts. Identifies and establishes scopes and project requirement analysis on project by project basis to define project impact. Communicate changes, enhancements, and modifications of business requirements verbally and through written documentation to project managers, and conducts competitive product research to identify value differentiators for our products and define competitive advantages as the product evolves. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst over here. And if we'll talk about technical skills for this job post, you should be proficient in writing user stories and documentation with data flow and UML descriptions. Ability to effective prioritize and execution tasks while under pressure, highly self-motivated and directed, able to exercise independent judgment and act on it, and experience working in a team-oriented collaborative environment, awareness of agile and Scrum methodologies. So these are some technical and soft skills this company is looking for. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can go through with the read this job description and you can apply for this job post. Let's move to the third job. Company name is Amazon, hiring for business analyst. Minimum experience 1 year. Location is in Bangalore. Salary would be negotiable. Education bachelor's degree in quantitative disciplines such as stats, mathematics, economics, computer science, or any related quantitative field. About the role, managing daily reporting and deep dives of critical OHL OPEX work streams, coordinating with central stakeholders to maintain the data queries and ensure right reporting. Minimum 12 months of experience as a business analyst is needed for this role and operates with minimal supervision and direction from director or managers. And technical skills and basic skills: 1+ years of experience in data analytics or automation, 1+ years of capacity planning, operation planning, business analysis, or similar experience, knowledge of data pipelining and extraction using SQL, knowledge of SQL and Excel at a moderate or advanced level, and experience with data mining tools like SQL, SAS, SPSS, or similar. And if we talk about education, a bachelor's degree in quantitative field disciplines such as stats, mathematics, economics, computer science, or any related field. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job. Let's move to the fourth job. Company name is PAYTM, hiring for business analyst, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Noida, education bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, stats, economics, business administration or related field. Salary would be 4 to 7 lakhs per annum estimated. Roles and responsibilities: data analysis and interpretation using SQL and Python to extract, manipulate, and analyze data from various sources. Interpret complex data sets to identify trends, patterns, and insights that inform business strategies. Business reporting: develop and maintain comprehensive dashboards and reports to track key performance indicators, business metrics, and operational efficiency. Collaborate with cross-functional teams to identify business objectives and define analytical requirements, translate business needs into data-driven solutions. And you also need to oversee data governance and quality assurance process to ensure the accuracy, completeness, and integrity of data sets. So these are some key responsibilities for this job role. And technical skills: proficiency in SQL for data querying, manipulation, and optimization, solid understanding of data warehousing concepts, modeling techniques, and ETL processes, excellent analytical problem solving and critical thinking abilities, communication and presentation skills with the ability to convey complex concepts to non-technical stakeholders. And if you're comfortable with roles and responsibilities, you have required skills as well, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job. Fifth company in the list is KPMG, hiring for business consultants, hiring experience 0 to 1 year, job locations in Noida, education any graduate, postgraduate from a reputed institute. Salary would be negotiable. Roles and responsibilities: should know background verification process, document collection, review and updating in correct format in various tools, initiation of background verification processes, communicating with background verification vendor for reporting issuance, communicating with stakeholders based on the finding in background verification reports, and maintaining data for routine MIS work reports and handle ad hoc required report request as required. So these are some key responsibilities you'll have to perform as a business consultant over here. And technical skills: proficiency in work with Microsoft Office tools, a strong executive presence, good communication skills, ability to work in a fast-paced, demanding deadlining environment. Knowledge of Python and SQL will be an added advantage. That is not mandatory though. Good written and verbal communication skills and interpersonal skills, and keen sense of responsibility, solid professional standards, and excellent track record of dependability. And if you find yourself suitable for this job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job. Sixth company in the list is NatWest, hiring for business analyst associate, experience 1 to 2 years, job locations in Gurgaon, education bachelor's degree in business admin or comparable discipline is preferred. Salary would be 4 to 7 lakhs per annum estimated. Roles and responsibilities: create and maintain documentation as well as support controls and quality assurance for key stakeholders and suppliers, identify and support cutover and implementation tasks, trace and link business requirements for future state designs, facilitate user acceptance testing and support business users in executing the user acceptance testing, take on a critical role defining and realizing fantastic solutions, processes, benefits, and new opportunities. And it's a great chance to hit the ground running, take advantage of our development opportunities, and advance your career. And this offer role is basically for associate level. So if you have minimum 1 year of experience as a business analyst, you can apply for the job post. Even I'll suggest if you have no prior experience working as a business analyst, but you have these roles and responsibilities, you can perform these roles and responsibilities, and you have these required skills, then also you should apply for the job post. Skills in SQL would be a plus. Experience of applying business analysis tools and techniques, background of delivering business analysis in technology or IT function, and strong stakeholder management skills. And you can click on this link and you can apply for this job. Seventh company in the list is Ecosmob, hiring for business analyst associate, experience 0 to 2 years, job locations in Ahmedabad. Good to have education qualification, BE computer engineering, BE IT, BE MCA, BCA, or MBA. Salary would be 3 to 5 lakhs per annum estimated. So if you are looking to start your career as a fresher in this domain, you can check this job. Roles and responsibilities: work closely with business analyst, development team, and tech leads, tech SMEs. Further, managing clients communication, participate in conference calls with prospects, customers to gather business requirements along with business analyst. Assist BA in writing SOW, SRS, BRD, FRD as per the needs. Prepare work breakdown structure and estimates for a requirement. Work closely with the BA for pre-sales and post-sale activities, and prepare user stories. Actively participates in daily stand-up meetings. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst associate over here. And for this job role, there are certain key skills. These are basically bachelor's degree in related field or equivalent work experience, fluent and verbal written communication skills, business requirement understanding and requirement gathering, should have completed graduation, and should be interested to learn VoIP and SIP. And if you find yourself suitable for this job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job. Eighth company in the list is Citi, hiring for business analysts, experience 0 to 2 years, job locations in Gurgaon and Pune, education bachelor's, university degree or equivalent experience. Salary would be 3 to 5 lakhs per annum, that would be estimated. What you need to do as a business analyst over here: gathers operational data from various cross-functional stakeholders to examine past business performance, identifies data patterns and trends, and provide insights to enhance business decision-making capabilities in business planning, process improvement, and solution assessments. May be involved in exploratory data analysis, confirmatory data analysis, and or qualitative analysis. Translate data into consumer or customer behavioral insights to drive targeting and segmentation strategies, and communicate clearly and effectively to business partners. Continuously improve process and strategies by exploring and evaluating new data source, tools, or capabilities, and appropriately assess risk when business decisions are made, demonstrating particular considering for the firm's reputation and safeguarding. So these are some key responsibilities for the role of business analyst. And key skills: good communication skills, both written and verbal, ability to work with cross-functional partners and team members. So if you have good communication skills, you are good with collaboration skills, then you can apply for this job post. And you need to click on this job link to apply for this job post. Main company in the list is Crisil, hiring for business analysts, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Mumbai, education bachelor's degree or equivalent in information technology or economics, masters would be preferred, salary would be competitive. So if you have minimum 1 year of experience, you are looking to switch a job in Mumbai location, you can apply for this job post. Roles and responsibilities: evaluate existing business processes and identify areas of improvement, analyze large data sets to extract meaningful insights and trends, prepare reports and dashboards to communicate key performance metrics to stakeholders, collaborate with organizational leaders to develop and implement change management, and support the communication and training efforts related to strategic transformations. And key skills: around 1 to 2 years of experience as a business analyst, should have worked in banking domain experience, good communication understanding of banking software, retail banking, corporate, wealth management, good verbal and written communication skills. Experience 1 to 2 years. How to apply? You can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Let's move to the 10th and final job of the day. Company name is Genpact, hiring for business analyst, experience 2 to 4 years, job locations in Gurgaon and Bengaluru, education BTech, MCA or MCom postgraduate, salary would be competitive. Key responsibilities: ability to work directly with business users to understand requirements and provide recommendations on how best to display data in a report or visual dashboards. ability to present exhibits and data visuals directly to stakeholders and effectively recommend solutions options that would be better for the business, ability to learn complex data resources and merge data across disparate systems to meet business requirements, and provide reporting and data analysis supports for various business partners with North American business units, and process change request on steady state dashboards reports with attention to reconciliation expectations. So these are some key responsibilities for this job role. If you have prior experience in these roles and responsibilities, you should apply for the job post. Key skills: proficiency in coordinating with internal, external stakeholders along with process management. SQL expertise required. Advanced understanding of data modeling, table relationship, and query optimizations. Apart from this, Python or knowledge of integration with Power BI Tableau is good to have. Relevant experience of Power BI, Dex Studio, SQL, and Advanced Excel. Experience with SQL data management and advanced relational database. And knowledge of Amazon Redshift, Salesforce, and cloud services is good to have. And if you have these skills, you are good to go with roles and responsibilities, job location, and salary. You can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. So friends, these are 10 jobs for this week for the role of business analyst. I hope you like this video and these jobs would be helpful to you. Do press the like button if these jobs are helpful, and you can also share your feedback or any suggestions in the comment section. You can also share this video to your needy friends as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.